Welcome back to Educators. Are you good at spelling? I'm going to give you 20 words from easy to hard, and you'll have 10 seconds each to either write them down or shout them out. Feel free to pause if you need more time. All right, let's start. The first word is quilt. The quilt felt soft. Please spell the word quilt. Correct. Quilt. The next word is pirate. The pirate found gold. You got it. Pirate. Next word is guitar. I wish I could play the guitar. Very good. Guitar. The next word is brother. I lent my brother a hand. Perfect. Brother. The last easy word is ribbon. The pink ribbon was tied. Yes, it's ribbon. You're doing great so far. Now, I'm going to give you words that are a little harder. The next word is fragrance. The fragrance was flowery. Right on. It's fragrance. Next up, complete. Complete this spelling word. Correct. Complete. The next word is elevation. The mountain's elevation is high. You've got it. Elevation. Next is material. I have material on my desk. That's right. It's material. This word is furniture. I need new furniture. Right again. It's furniture. Hang in there. We're halfway done. Let's keep this going. The next word is mustache. His mustache was thick. Did you get it? It's moustache. Next is migration. Birds began their migration. Nailed it. It's migration. Let's go with curiosity. His curiosity grew. Correct. It's curiosity. The next word is experience. Experience is the best teacher. Bingo! It's EXPERIENCE. Next up is nervous. She felt nervous about the test. Very good. NERVOUS. You're doing great so far. Only 5 more to go. Get ready, these are going to be tricky. Pause if you need more time. The next word is debris. The tornado left debris. Did you get it? It's DEBRIS. The next word is island. This island is small. You've got it. It's ISLAND. Next up is doubt. Don't doubt yourself. Yes, it's DOUBT. Oh no, get ready. The next word is handkerchief. She dropped her handkerchief. Amazing! It's HANDKERCHIEF. Last word. Can you spell translucent? A translucent bubble was floating. Incredible! It's TRANSLUCENT. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new challenge. Got a subject that's giving you trouble? Drop a comment below and I'll make a video to help you out. Thanks for watching.